Hey everybody, and welcome back to FSP Forex-Stock-Predictions. Hope you are all having a great day. I am the Vortex Trader, and today we are looking at gold. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and let's get into it. Okay, we are looking at a position that was opened on the 11th of March. It's a short position which played out quite nicely due to a pattern called head and shoulders. Right, so let's analyze this. On the 25th of February, we began to see price slowly start to trend upwards following and respecting this ascending trend line. As you can see, price comes down, bounces off it, it respects it along the way. At around this point here, when we see gold pushing up high, we had that event which began occurring across the east, which we all know what that is, right? With this pushed the price of the commodities market very, very high. And when we look back to the left, back in time, we can see that the pattern that played out was indeed a head and shoulders. Price pushed up high, right? Consolidated a bit, which created the left shoulder, pushed up even higher, right, which formed the head in the middle, came back down, bounced up off of this previous line, which was resistance, flipped support, right, so it came back down again, right, treated it as support, bounced off of it, which formed the right shoulder. Now, at this point, we were waiting for a break of this pattern. Okay, we were waiting for price to break down below this pattern. Now, coincidentally, which is something that I always like to see when trading head and shoulders, I do like to see a trend line being respected and then breaking at the very end, right? I like to see this broken because this tells me that I can possibly look for an entry now. Now, we saw this exact thing happen. We saw in one candle, price broke the head and shoulders pattern as well as the trend line, broke below this line here, which was once resistance flipped support, right? Now, once this happened, we see volume was significantly higher than its previous candles. I would then look for a retest back up to the trend line for my entry. This area right here would be my entry. And we can see that we got that right there. Okay? We always wait for price to retest before entering. That's the type of trader that I am, right? A breakout and retest trader. So price broke out. It then came back up, retested this exact line, which is the trend line and the bottom of the head and shoulders pattern on the right-hand side. This gave us our entry to go short. Now, we place our stop within the right-hand shoulder or above the peak of the right-hand shoulder, right? This depends on how you have back-tested these patterns, right? And then my final target is the 1877.8 price level on gold. I do have targets along the way. This is my first target right here, which is previous price structure. I then have a second target, which is right here, previous price structure. And then my third target is right at the bottom, the 1877.8 level. So we have been scaling out of this position along the way. And, well, we have scaled out once so far. We are waiting for price to reach target number 2 and then target number 3, which would be its final destination. Let's hope it doesn't react to the final target like the movie, right? So, having said all that, this is generally how these patterns do play out. It is on a higher time frame. So what I like about trading on the 4-hour chart is that although setups and patterns do occur a lot more seldomly, when they do occur, we have a higher probability of them playing out. A higher success rate, right? What's the downfall? We have to wait. We got to be patient. We got to be patient. We have to be patient, and we have to sit on our hands and wait for these patterns to present themselves. Once they do, well, it's time to jump in. So, let's have a look and see where the price will indeed reach its final destination at the bottom of previous price structure, which is the 1877.8 level. And let's scale out as we get there. As always, thank you for watching. Please remember to hit that like and subscribe button. I have posted the link to our website in the description below. If you have any questions about any patterns that we are trading, please post them in the comments. Would love to hear from you. As always, this is the Vortex Trader, and I will be seeing you all in the next one. Thank you for watching. Bye.